Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by opening settings and going straight to privacy or location so you can act now. Look for the app that's sending the location sharing notification because one app controls most alerts. Once you've identified it, make sure you're unlocked and any admin prompts are handled. This prevents midway blocking. Tap the app entry to reveal its location permission options. This step prepares you to change sharing behavior rather than deleting the app or resetting unrelated preferences. Now you change the permissions. Set location to never or to while using if you want limited access. You're doing this because background access often triggers persistent notifications. Next, look for a separate Share My Location or Background Location toggle and switch it off to stop continuous updates. Make sure to also open the app's notification settings and disable location-specific alerts if they're listed. This combination prevents both the permission-driven and notification-driven reminders. Finish by restarting the device so the permission and notification changes fully take effect. This clears cached services that keep pushing the alert. Also check other devices or accounts, like family sharing, that might be broadcasting your location and disable sharing there. If the notification persists, revoke device admin privileges for the app or reinstall it to reset its notification state. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure the app isn't integrated with system services. If so, remove that integration before testing again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.